This is another American Lock 1100. It's not, this is the one I've made a video for about, and then this is the one I just got in the mail today. You can see they're slightly different. I wasn't really going to make a video about this one since I've already done a red 1100, but do you see the bitting down there at the end? You don't have to hit the 4th or the 5th pin on this lock to open it. So effectively that bitting has taken a 5-pin American 1100 and made it a 3-pin lock. So I'm going to use the Covert Instruments 50 thousandths turning tool in the top of the keyway with light, semi-light tension, and a Peterson's long hook. Alright, I got a little click out of 1, a couple of clicks out of 2. Alright, 2 feels set. Going into number 3. I may have overset 2. No, I didn't. I mean, for an American lock, an 1100, this thing, with not having to touch those last 2 pins, I don't even know what to say.